my dear students. This is online session class 7. Continuation of equality. Already learned about what is equality, definition of equality, importance of equality and kinds of equality. Kinds of equality. There are 4 kinds of equality. First one, social equality, civil equality, political equality and gender equality. We know that 2 equality, social equality and civil equality. Today's learn about political equality. Political equality. All the democratic country, including India, have the political rights. What do you mean? Democracy of the people, by the people, for the people. Political rights includes right to vote, right to hold public office, right to criticize the government. India is democracy government. These are the rights of political equality. Citizens should have equal opportunity to actively participate in the political life. Political equality can be enjoyed through the Universal Adult Franchise, UAF, Universal Adult Franchise. In India, the voting right is given to all the citizens who has attained 18 years of age without any discriminations. What do you mean discrimination? Difference. So, those are who attain 18 years of age, they are put the vote. That is political rights. India is the first country to give right to vote in women in the year 1952. In Switzerland, the right to vote is given to women in 1971. Dear students, take book page number 174. Note this point. In Switzerland, the right to vote is given to women 1971. India is given to women in 1952. Any person who has completed the age of 25 years can contest in the election in India. Right to criticize the government is so very important right, and the people can express their resentment through demonstrations. These are the political rights. The value of vote of the Prime Minister and value of vote of common man. Who is the Prime Minister of India? Yes, Mr. Narendra Modi. General election is same, which denotes political equality. So, common man to Prime Minister, general election is same, which denotes political equality. Political equality in most democracy. So, every country, political equality in most democracy. Let's see.
Gender equality.
I'm leaving Kalavati. The train is about to arrive.
Just 2 more rotis to make. You won't get any food on the train, and the station is barely a stone's throw from here.
If I miss the train, I'll lose a day's pay. My boss is a hard man.
I'll help Amma.
Your sister should be helping me. Instead, she must be kicking and punching away in the judo class.
Chakur enjoys it. She has become so strong and confident after she joined the judo class in her school.
Hoo ha! Hoo ha! Hoo ha! Hoo ha!
I'll love to help you, Amma. I'll pack the food for Babuji while you finish making the other roti.
A fine pair, you and your sister. Remember to keep some vegetable for your lunch. Give the rest to Babuji. Chakor and I will manage without it.
Chakor and you work so hard, perhaps more than me. Why should you not eat? The three of us can share the vegetable among us. Here, Babuji, you are all set.
Babuji, the train has reached the outskirts of the village. It's coming very slowly.
How do you know?
When I went out, Babuji was so worried about missing the train. So I climbed a tall tree near the clearing where I practiced judo. From there I could see the train coming at a distance.
My little monkey, your skills are proving very helpful for me.
And Ajay, your skills are very helpful to me.
Come Babuji, Bhaiya and I will run ahead with your bags.
Look how responsible my children have become. I am proud of them.
Remember, girls and boys are equal.
The story explain about gender equality. Okay, nowadays women are successfully working many fields like Indian Air Force, Indian Border Security Force, etc. For the upliftment of women, 50% reservation has been given for women in local bodies. UNA says definition of gender equality means women and men and girls and boys enjoy the same rights. It does not require that girls and boys or women and men be same, that they be treated equal. So both are equal is essential for gender equality. As of 2017, gender equality is the fifth of 17 Sustainable Development Goals of the United Nations. Efforts were made by many social activities from 19th century for the development of women. The noted champions of this cause were Rajaram Mohan Rai, Ishwara Chandra Vidyasagar, Dayananda Saraswati and etc. So gender equality means both are equal. Gender equality is a human fight, not a female fight. Okay, dear students, end up today concept. Okay, beginning to end, recall your own way. Once again, what is equality? Definition of equality. Kinds of equality. There are 4 kinds of equality: social equality, political equality, civil equality and gender equality. So beginning to end, recall your own way. Homework session. Homework. Take book page number 176. Read all, choose the correct answer. 2 marks. Why is gender equality needed? 5 marks. What is political equality? Read and write 2 times these questions. Okay, dear students? Read and write 2 times. Thank you.